do I have to get to Hitty Park?
Scared of water, Lee? I love boats.
I drive boats when we go down Ailing Island with my dad. Nick, did Dad tell you about that time on Ailing Island when Will's mate went with them? And, yeah, and then I got in it on my own and I was going more. So I kind of thinking my dad was driving the boat flat out on my brother and his mate and they were crying. You get wet? Even there! Lisa, it's not allowed to be standing in this boat.
I jumped up as well, right in the camera.
For your own safety, please stay seated.
Yes.
Once again, stay seated. Thank you.
Yes, you too.
I can't read.
I'm dyslexic. You hit the rock in a minute. Yeah, they stop us there. It's on the track.
What?
It's on the track.
It's on the track?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. It does. It stops you there for a bit until that
On the track?
It is.
Surely it's that water.
Hey? The rocks in this stuff here. It went in my mouth.
I can see the bloody bottle just there. Right there, you can see the bottle.
No, these are the tracks. Yeah, here's the picture now.
Oh no, I don't want a picture.
Woo! Smile for the camera.